Want to use ChatGPT on your smartphone wherever you go. Whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone, the ChatGPT mobile app lets you chat, create content, upload files, use voice conversations, and much more. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT on mobile from start to finish. Let's jump right in. First, download the official ChatGPT app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in using your existing account. If you're new to ChatGPT, you can create a free account directly from the app. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main chat screen. Here you'll find the message box, your conversation history, and the menu where you can access your account settings and other features. Take a few moments to explore the layout. Tap the message box and type your question or request. You can ask ChatGPT for explanations, writing help, travel ideas, coding assistance, study support, or almost anything else. When you're ready, tap the Send button to receive a response. If your account supports additional features, you can tap the microphone icon to start a voice conversation or use the attachment button to upload documents, images, or other supported files. After uploading, simply ask ChatGPT what you'd like it to do. You don't need to start a new chat every time. Continue asking follow-up questions to build on the current conversation. You can also rename important chats, delete conversations you no longer need, and keep your chat history organized. Open the settings menu to personalize your experience. Depending on your account, you may find options for appearance, memory, privacy, notifications, subscriptions, and other available features. Whether you're commuting, studying, working, or simply looking for quick answers, the ChatGPT mobile app gives you powerful AI assistance wherever you are. Explore different features over time to discover what works best for your daily routine, and that's how to use ChatGPT on your mobile device. From asking questions and creating content to uploading files and using voice conversations, you now know the basics to get started with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.